Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. Yeah, BNB has nearly reached target, so it's a good move, and I think today we see a little bit of selling pressure, so I wouldn't be surprised to see maybe a little bit of a more of a reaction to the downside from here. Of course, doesn't have to happen, but anybody who might have entered also in this support area, I did that at the time. I made channel members aware on Discord and Telegram. Down here around 292 I did enter a few days ago. So it's an impressive, sort of move over whatever, a couple of days or so. So it's not too bad. 12%, okay, it's not massive. Optimism was better. Did also enter optimism, but BNB, I'm happy with that. In a couple of days. So I'm taking, I'm considering to take some partial profits at least here. That it has come very close to the resistance or target area. Now, why is maybe taking partial profits useful in this case? Again, you only can decide that for yourself, okay? We obviously have in the crypto market currently a couple of different scenarios here, and this is all part of risk management. Even though I would like it to go higher, and I primarily expect it to go higher, you need to have your risk management spot on in the current market, especially after we've had such a rally. I would always anyway move up my stop loss into profit as soon as possible, or at least to break even as soon as possible. Now, we have here still on the chart the idea and the scenario that this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, this could be a wave 3, then we came down in A wave, moved up in a B wave, and came down in a C wave, and we are now rallying in a 5th wave. And we should, based on that, go higher, maybe even go much, much higher. Could even go above $400 in this particular scenario. Why do I still take profits? Well, because we've hit a ceiling here locally, and it could also be a different scenario and count, yeah. And as long as you know your environment and know the different scenarios that are possible, you've won half the battle in this game, okay? Because the other count and the other possibility could be that actually off the lows we let me just think, we moved up in a 1, came down in a 2, we moved up in a wave 3, peaked here, no change, we count the wave 4 here, and we rallied in a 5th wave and peaked here. Even though I cannot really count this as a clean or clear 5-wave move up, I wouldn't want to bet on it that this is not a wave 5 of 1, so that we completed here a 5-wave move of a first wave, that this first wave actually sits here, and that we are coming down in a wave 2. For a wave 2, we haven't really retraced enough. Okay, well, it's okay, but we haven't really retraced enough. Not for an ideal scenario, and that's actually what we're always looking for. Which means, what could be the scenario here in this case? So if the wave 1 peaked here, and we would still probably be coming down in a wave 2, and this could have just been an A wave in a leading diagonal in 5 waves. We're now moving up in a B wave, and we've had these situations so often, yeah? It could just be a B wave, because we don't have 5 waves off the low, it's only 3. And now we could come down in a C wave. Yeah, I know it can be confusing, but we've had it so often that you had 5 waves down, and we then were looking up either for maybe a wave 5 or a wave 3 or an impulse to the upside, or a B wave. And these moves often play out, and it did play out, because you have confluence. Yeah, you do expect some bounce to the upside. Of course, you don't know if it's going to work out or not. So I always consider then to take some profits when the move actually worked out in the end. But of course it can rally higher, but from a risk management point of view, it might then make sense to be happy with, 10% in a couple of days is not too bad. It's better what you get in any bank, much better per year. However, of course, I will leave a lot probably in the trade. But it's not only that. We've actually reached resistance now. Yeah, we've also reached fib resistance, because this is not only a target here for the 5th wave, well it is, but also if you look at what is actually a key level for this B wave, where it normally bounces off, it's the 78.6 retracement. It's a key level, highly relevant, and this is, if it turns around, it would ideally turn around here, 327, and we are basically there now. So this is a resistance area in which we currently are for a B wave as well. So again, there's no guarantee we are turning around from here, and I do expect it to go higher. But if we now get some sort of a setback, I have a choice to either scale up again, yeah, or do whatever, you know, just manage risk basically. So that's all I need to do now. But the risk is there that we come down from here, or at least see some sort of a setback, and then depending on the structure, I will decide further. But be aware of these possibilities. Either a wave 5 to the upside here, which should push higher. It could even imminently push higher because we have 3 waves up like Bitcoin, Ethereum, so this could still push further into the target range here. But there is now, exactly at this point, an increased risk that we come down at least a little bit. And depending on if this is a B wave to the upside here, then we could actually make a new low here in a C wave and would then be in a wave 2. That would be my view then, and could come down maybe to 240, 250, which would be another long-term entry point actually at that point. Yeah, okay, and that's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.